Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today's video is a fun one. I am doing an inspired makeup look by my daughter. She is turning 1 year old. I can't even believe it. That's so crazy to me. The colors that I'm wearing on my eyes, lavender and coral, are shades that really complement her, and so I wanted to do something that really told a story about her. We also are having a princess party for her and her cousin because they have birthdays that are right next to each other, and so we wanted to do a joint birthday party for both of them because they both are just princesses in their own way, and I love it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. So I'm going to first start with my NYX Bear With Me concealer to prep the eyelids. I'm just going to put some in the back of my hand, and I'm going to take my sponge and just blend that out. Okay, I'm just going to take the powder that's in front of me really quick to set the lids. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte powder. I'm just going to set that concealer. I'm going to start in the shade Catch Me, and I'm going to use this as my transition shade. Next, going to go in the shade Dreammaker right here just to help deepen that transition a little bit. Applying this a little bit lower in the crease, or where that transition shade more into the crease of the eye. Then just taking Catch Me, that first shade, and just kind of blending those two shades together a little bit better. I'm then going to go into the shade I See Why Am I? I don't know, does that stand for anything? I See Why Am I? Am I just dumb, or is that just the name of it? I don't know. It's like a deep, kind of more like bricky red shade, and I'm just gonna pack that on in this outer corner right here. Taking my blending brush and just kind of blending that out. For my favorite shade in the palette, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. This is their Super Shock Shadow, and this is in the shade Side to Side. And this is one of my favorite shades in this palette. I'm just going to apply that almost basically all over my lid, but I'm not going to take it all the way out. Just going to stay kind of in that center and going in. Alrighty, so now I'm going to go in with this metallic liquid eyeshadow. It's actually not a metallic. Some of the shades in the Hard Candy liquid eyeshadows are metallic, and some are just more of a little bit of glitter. I'm gonna go in with it today in more of my inner corner. I wouldn't necessarily suggest putting liquid eyeshadows in the inner corner of your eye, but that's what I'm gonna do today. I just want that pop of purple right there in the inner corner. Not quite what I envisioned, but we will see once we got the rest of the makeup done what I think about it. I'm not liking that purple in the inner corner. Man, I was really hoping that I was gonna like this purple liquid glitter, you know. But we're going to do the rest of the face, and then we'll return to the eyes and then reassess the situation. Primer, I'm going to be using the NYX Bear With Me primer. Guys, I loved this when I tried it the other day. And I am going to be putting it with my NARS foundation today. And let's hope that it's a good combo, because the NARS foundation is my favorite foundation ever. So I'm going to just get a little bit on my hand. I have recently decided that primers more like this, that are more hydrating and moisturizing, are my kind of primers. I really love the Bobbi Brown Enriched Face Base. I really like the Too Faced Hangover primer. I'm trying to think if there's any other primers that I've tried that are like that. I don't know, but I think these are just my primers that work great for my face. All over my face. taking my Il Makiage foundation brush, and then I'm just going to start to buff this out. Okay, gonna go in with my NYX Bear With Me concealer, my favorite concealer of all times. I'm gonna go in with a cream contour. This is from Fenty Beauty. This is their matchstick, cream matchstick, or just matchstick. Just matchstick. I don't know what I was saying. To take this is a Morphe M523 brush, and it works great for contouring. So I'm just gonna, I like to go straight on the brush with the product and then kind of start stamping that product in there. And then I'm gonna kind of start blending, but blend kind of like upwards. I could take my sponge and just kind of blend out those edges. Get onto the forehead and in the hairline. I'm gonna quickly go over the eyes. I'm gonna take my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Setting Powder in the shade Sugar Cookie. Fluffy brush and set the rest of my face. Quick easy tip is if you feel like maybe your eyebrow pencil is kind of sliding and not really sticking, go over with some powder just lightly over your brows, and it kind of gets rid of any of that tackiness. Maybe you have a little bit oilier eyebrows. It just helps to have some sort of grip for your eyebrow pencil. I'm gonna go in with my Jaclyn Hill pressed bronzer in the shade Vitamin D. Ooh, almost threw that at you guys. Just a powder brush. I don't, there's no name for it. For blush, I'm going to be using the Milani Coral Cove, and this is just a really pretty coral color. It's going to match the eye look really well. I am loving how my makeup is looking. Okay. I decided that I think I know what might help this eyeshadow, so let me go get. So I decided to at least get that purple color that I've been wanting. I'm going to go into my Anastasia Nouveau palette. If you haven't seen this video with me trying this palette out for the first time, I can't even open it. Decided in order to get the purple shade that I'm wanting in the inner corner of the eye, this is just not gonna do it. I was really hoping that this would work, but it's not. So I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Nouveau palette because we do have that purple shade in here. I'm gonna take a little bit of that on the pencil brush and just apply that to the inner corner here. I think I got rid of too much of the product. Okay, that's what is looking way better than that other shade. Guys, so it's really funny the colors that I'm wearing. Even, you know, obviously it's inspired because of my daughter's princess party, but also when I was pregnant with my daughter, I just felt like she was going to be like, lilac was going to be her color. Like everything lilac. Her outfit that she came home in, I did give birth in the midwife birth center, but when her first outfit was a lilac like jumpsuit kind of thing, and I just always loved the color lilac on her, and even the color like coral and peach as well. Like those two shades just look so great on her. So even though that this is, you know, a princess party and sparkles and everything, these colors actually are like compliments to my daughter, because these colors are one of my favorite colors for her to wear. Obviously at this point, she's 1 year old, but she doesn't care what she wears, but I care, and she gets, people compliment me about what she wears when she wears those colors. So I, you know, definitely feel like these two colors complement her the best. Yes, okay, that is what I wanted. I really wanted like a bright neon pop of purple in the inner corner, and this is giving it to me. I was really hoping for this glitter shade, but honestly, now that I look at it, I feel like with all the glitter that we have on the eyes, adding more glitter in the inner corner was probably going to overdo it a little too much. So having more of a matte shade, but it's so neon that it kind of blends in with all the sparkle anyway. But yes, love it. All right, I'm going to go back into the palette into the first shade called Catch Me. And I'm just going to blend this on the on the lower lash line. Bring it all the way in, because we want that purple shade to blend in with everything else and not just stand out on its own. Everything needs to blend seamlessly together. So I am going to go into this shade right here, ISYMI, or ICMI. I really don't know how it's supposed to be pronounced, but I'm going to go ahead and take that just a little bit. And just to deepen the outer lower lash line a little bit, I don't want to make it too heavy, because again, this is a princess party and it's light and it's fun, but I definitely want to kind of bring in the top shades with the lower lash line. I'm going to take my other brush that had Catch Me on it and blend that out. I don't want too much of that shade on the lower lash line. Guys, I'm starting to love this look. I was getting a little worried when I put that metallic eyeshadow in the inner corner, but we fixed it. We're good. I'm going to go in with some mascara, my Lash Paradise mascara, just to really feather the lashes out and get some volume. Okay, mascara is done, and I didn't want too much mascara on my lower lash line, so I kind of just like kissed the lashes with my mascara just to give it some color, but not too overboard. My highlighter today, I am going to be going in my Nabela Noor highlighter. If you guys saw my last video, you'll know that this, I told you that I never wear this highlighter. You know, there has to be a special occasion, and I thought that this was the perfect occasion to wear Princess Sparkly Fairy Dust. So I'm literally just going to, wow, oh my gosh, I don't know why I didn't tap that before I put it on. But hello. I'm gonna see if I can maybe tone that down a little bit. Man, I just went all in, guys. All in.
Hey guys, so while I'm doing my eyebrows here, I just wanted to let you guys know that my camera did die in the middle of me doing the rest of my makeup, which really the only thing you guys missed was me applying my lipstick, which I do share with you the products that I used, and I hope that you guys enjoy the rest of the video.
Oh my gosh, guys. So many things just have happened in the last 20 minutes that I'm just like, why? My camera cut off right as I was trying to finish my makeup. And then my phone was about to die because I film on my phone. So I had to literally like let my phone charge, kind of finish my hair off and finish the makeup off. And then because my phone is about to die, I had to charge it in so I don't have my mic on. So hopefully the sound is okay. And then my lighting wasn't working. Anyway, the whole thing, guys. Anyway, so you guys really didn't see me apply my lip pretty much. You guys saw me do the rest of my makeup. So for my lips, and it's not even in front of me now. Take a breath, Aubree. Some days it just does not want to go your way. Here it is. Okay. Gosh dang it. Wow. I am wearing the NYX Line Loud in Daring Damsel. It's just a really light nudie pink. And then on top, I'm wearing the Milani Color Fettish lipstick in Pleasure on that, because I didn't want anything too crazy. I didn't want to compete with the eye look. And then on top for a gloss, I'm wearing the Milani Diamond Shimmer. So that is where I'm wearing my face. I love how this look turned out. These colors are just colors that really complement my daughter. And she's turning 1, which is so crazy to me that she's only been with us for 1 year. It just doesn't seem real to me. And I'm super excited for her development, and she's already so smart. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below, and you'll be notified of every time I upload a new video, which is Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. I love you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.